Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Proby here, and today we are going to try to make some 3D shapes, and I have some really cool manipulatives that you could use if you were at school, and what I love about them is they're all different sizes. So I have some long straight lines, and then some that are a little bit shorter, like kind of a medium size, and then I have a shorter size than that, and also have some curved lines, and then I have some connectors that have some holes in them. Now, these are really fun to play with, and I was able to make some cool things today, like a triangular prism. It turned out pretty cool. I tried to make this card right here, a triangular prism. And I also made this shape right here. Also turned out cool. You can see that I'm using different sizes, so longer and shorter and the medium with my connectors. And then I also made a sphere with the curved ones. Now, I know that you guys don't have this bag of stuff at home, do you? So I was trying to think, what can you use at your house to try to help you make some of these cool 3D shapes? So, dug out some things, and I couldn't find, I think actually bamboo skewers might be really cool to use too. But I have some toothpicks, so you could use some toothpicks too. I thought that I had some mini marshmallows, but my kids, I guess, ate them all. I don't know. So what I did instead is I just took some frozen peas out of the freezer, and I'm going to use them as the connector. So I'm going to try to make for you right now a cube. A cube has all the same sides. They're all the same length, and I need 12 toothpicks and 8 peas. I'm going to see how this goes. Hopefully my peas will work for me here. They might have to thaw a little bit. Alright, so you're going to need to be careful here. There's one pea on one toothpick. My second vertice. Now I'm going to put another toothpick on. I'm going to try to make a square here. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll try to hold it up. Starting out with a square. One more connector. It's falling apart. Things don't always work the first time you try, right? Okay, that's looking pretty good to start. Now I need to put some toothpicks going up. Like that. Looking good so far. And now I need to put some more connectors up on the top. Remember, I needed 8 connectors and I needed 12 toothpicks. So I have 8 vertices and 12, starting to come together, guys, and 12 sides. Let's see. Just about done. All right, what do you think? That turned out not too bad, hey? So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My cube has 12 sides or 12 edges, and it has 8 vertices on it, 8 peas. Now, do you have to use frozen peas? You don't. You can use plasticine like you used when you were making the 2D shapes. You can also use mini marshmallows, which I wish I had some. You can find any little, maybe even raisins would work well for you, but see if you can make a cube. See if you can make something like a triangular prism. See if you can make maybe a rectangular prism like this one. It has longer sides and shorter. Rectangles are long and short. A trapezoidal prism might be cool to make. A hexagonal prism. That has a hexagon as its main shape. A right triangular prism could be a cool one to make. And then there's the picture of the cube again. Now, what about if you want to make something like the sphere? I was thinking, because it has to have a curved line, and I don't know how many things you have that are curved, but maybe if you were patient, you'd have to be patient, but you could take the pipe cleaners and you could use plasticine maybe, you could try to make a sphere out of that as well. That could be really fun. And another really fun one with those kind of curved edges could be a cylinder to make. So I would love, if you have some cool things that you make, maybe you could take a picture of them and put them up on our Facebook page, or you could email the teachers and just show us all the cool things that you're making. I hope you have lots of fun making 3D shapes.